The R.W. Hartnett Company has been manufacturing printing machines for the pharmaceutical and confectionary industry for well over half a century, and the IBM Ink Printer is the system that started it all. This high-speed rotogravure printing machine has an inclined hopper for maximum fill rate with an average output of 300,000 pieces per hour. Product flows smoothly throughout the machine, printing every piece that enters the print station. The IBM machine is designed for efficiency, accuracy, and flexibility. Our ink viscosity system circulates the ink through the ink pan and back through the viscosity meter. This system maintains the ink's viscosity, prevents evaporation, and extends the lifespan of the ink. When paired with R.W. Hartnett Company's Vision Inspection System, each product gets individually inspected and can easily be viewed on the camera page of the HMI. This system includes our single tablet rejection system. This modern machine can store hundreds of product recipes, making operator startup an easy process. The recipes produce batch records and an audit trail achieving 21 CFR Part 11 compliancy. The IBM Ink Printer tooling sets are designed from 10 to 20 lanes, depending on the size and quality of the product, and can be changed over to a new tooling set within an hour. All the IBM's product contact parts are made with FDA-compliant materials. The IBM ink printing machine is designed to be user-friendly and capable of producing a quality print for many years.